I love transforming spaces. To me, the transformations is really when it comes to life. I love seeing the before and afters. When you hire my company, you're hiring me. I have a whole design team that I trust. People who have been trained by me, who have worked for some of the most storied brands in visual design and home decor, and who have graduated from some of the top design programs in the country. But when you hire me, you have the confidence of knowing that I approve each and every job. Every single piece of furniture, every accessory is selected by me. So what do you have to do? The answer is nothing. We have all of our own artwork and accessories. We own enough furniture to furnish roughly 25 to 30 three-bedrooms simultaneously. And we're always bringing new inventory into our expansive warehouse. One of the things that we always want to do is use beautiful and unique pieces to market our properties successfully.